Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have just a fun, super laid back unboxing of the summer 2020 FabFitFun box. As you guys know, I am not paid to do these videos. I am not sent these. I purchased the FabFitFun subscription with my own money and I absolutely love it. It is hands down my favorite subscription ever. Last quarter, I did one of these where I had not looked inside of it and opened it live on camera, and you guys seem to really enjoy that. So that's exactly what we're doing again for this summer 2020 box. All I've done, this box came about an hour ago. It was dropped on my doorstep. I slit the little plastic thing here and that's it. I have not looked in this box, and I got to do my choice items so long ago, I legitimately do not remember what is in this box. So it'll be really fun to see what I even have in this box this quarter because I don't remember any of it. It's true. For those of you that don't know, FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription, meaning you get one box for every season. It is $49.95, I think. $49.99, $49.95 is $50. $50 per box unless you do the annual subscription, and then it is $180 for the entire year, which is worth it in my humble opinion. That's how I've been doing it. You get extra customization options and things that are only available to you. It's a really, really great thing. So I am an annual subscriber, so I paid $45 for this box, and we're going to see what exactly is inside. Here we go. Your add-ons are inside. I don't remember adding anything on. What did I add on? Oh, I picked an extra item. That's what it was. I picked an extra item. And I don't know what this is either. Curiouser and curiouser already. Okay. So we start off with the little magazine that we got going every quarter, and this is going to give me all the 411 on all of the products that could have been in my box. So it includes what is in my box personally, but also all of the other items that were available to choose from. It's a little magazine, which is kind of cool, but most importantly, it talks about what is in the box. So we are going to go ahead and look at that and reference this as we go. Things that you should know. There are items that all members get. There are items that select members, which are the annual subscribers. Only select members get to customize these options in their box. Otherwise, FabFitFun will choose the best option for you. You have to have the upgraded membership in order to choose, and I have that membership. And then there are FabFitFun picks, and they will surprise us with things they think we will love. Already, I'm taking a quick glance, and I'm realizing I remember some of what I picked. Here's what the box looks like. Very, very exciting. So we're starting off with Green Chef. This month, or this quarter, Green Chef has got a card in here, and I'm pretty sure it's only for first-time customers, which means this is going to be useless for me. For new customers only. Useless. Cool. Then we have Bright Cellars Wineries. Great. Wonderful. Now let's get into the stuff, shall we? At a quick glance, it looks like this is going to be a mostly beauty box, which is kind of how I like it, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my gosh, the key is so small. Okay, so I'm gonna start with an item that I actually chose myself as an extra. So what you do when you go through your customization options, you pick one item from a given category of options. But if you want to add on an additional item, you have the option to do that for an additional price. And I believe I got this for $10. I did not realize how small this was, otherwise I might not have gotten it. But I got myself this necklace. It is a little key necklace. And when I say little, I mean, holy crap, little. Can you even see that? What? It's so little. It's so little. If I would have realized that the key was literally the size of my pinky nail, I don't know that I would have gotten this, but I got this. It's a little key that says believe on it. And the reason I grabbed this is because I have been wanting to get some sort of like token to signify my health and weight loss journey. And for those of you that have been Weight Watchers for years and years and years, you might remember that the lifetime charm is a key. So when you have lost your weight, you've hit goal, and you've managed to maintain it, and you earn Weight Watchers lifetime status, you are given a key. I don't know that that is still the case. Somebody who's currently on Weight Watchers, let me know if that's the case. But I decided that this would be a great little thing for me to have, a key that says believe on it, that I can wear as my own personal token of my journey. You know? And so when I wear it, I can keep all of that in the front of my mind. I don't know. I just thought I wanted a little something. I wanted a little symbol, so I picked this. Here's the kicker. That little key that I'm pretty sure I paid $10 for is valued at $45. All right, not too bad for 10 bucks. Next up is the Lifestyle Co. Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray, and I need to go get scissors so I can open it. I just ran out of memory there. That was fun. As I was saying, apparently I chose this item and my choice options were a silk pillowcase, a vase of some kind, a Bombshell Blowout Spray by Amika, a Grace and Stella Say Hi to Hydration, and then the Lifestyle & Co. Beach Mist. So it's got aloe and mint and lavender. It is valued at $42. And I must have picked it because summertime? I don't know. I don't know why I picked that, but the two items I have are valued at over $80 now. This stuff I am so excited about, and you guys might recognize it from a box in the past. This is a repeat item that I chose, and I chose it immediately without a doubt. This is the Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler Spray. I love this stuff so much that it was a no-brainer for me to choose it again because I'm rationing out the one I have because I love it so stinking much. So I'm really, really thankful to have another one of these. This was from a list of products that all members got to choose from, and our choices were Black Peel-Off Masks and Hydrogel Eye Masks, Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, or the Dry Bar Prep and Prime Detangler, and I picked that one. This is a brand I like to see. This is Dr. Brand Do Not Age, also known as DNA Triple Peptide Eye Cream. Fantastic. Let's give this a look-see here. Do Not Age eye cream is something I could definitely use. Oh, look at that. Okay. So it's got like a little pointy thing, and it is super thick and emollient. Fantastic. Oh, I'm so excited. I've been going through an eye cream that I'm not really a huge fan of, and I was starting to be in the market for a new one, so the timing of this is impeccable. This says, powered by Dr. Brandt's exclusive triple peptide complex, this ultra-rich formula glides onto skin to deliver rejuvenating properties for radiant, youthful eyes. Helps restore moisture and replenish moisture, helps reduce puffiness and fade dark circles. Please God, because this girl and her dark circles, woof. Helps diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and helps recharge tired eyes and provides a more rested look. Fingers crossed. Here's hoping. This appears to be an item that all members had the option to choose from, and the other things we had the option to choose was a tote, a blanket, a diffuser, a wireless charging pad, the eye cream, or Lashes MD eyelash conditioner. I'm sorry, what? This ice cream is valued at $82. $82! Holy cow. Next up, we have a brand that I have tried a couple of products from and I have enjoyed, but they are products I've always received as samples. I've never purchased an R&Co product. This is the R&Co Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and the Television Perfect Hair Conditioner. I don't know much about it, to be honest with you. This is paraben and sulfate-free, petrolatum and mineral oil-free, cruelty and gluten-free, vegan, and has UV protection in it. That's just what's written on the back of the label here. But I was also in the market. I'm starting to run out of things. Quarantine has me using up all of my beauty products. So I'm starting to run out of things. I just ran out of my high-end shampoo from Loma Hair Care, which I really loved. So this could not have come at a more perfect time. So naturally, I chose the shampoo and conditioner options because it was something I needed to be replaced in my stash anyway. This shampoo and conditioner set was part of something that all members got to customize. So if you choose not to do the annual subscription, you do get plenty of options to customize things to begin with, but you get more options if you do the annual subscription. In this one, you could either pick from a Michael Kors passport wallet, a Business and Pleasure Co. cooler bag, a Hydropeptide Moisture Reset face oil, which I kind of wish I would have chosen instead after listening to Jen Love's review on the box. She said that the ingredients in that product were exceptional, so I wish I would have known that before choosing, because I probably would have chosen that instead. A Blue and White Kimonia by Isaac Mizrahi, or the R&Co shampoo and conditioner, which is valued at $64. So I am making bank in terms of value of my products this quarter. Next up is a Winky Lux eyebrow pencil. I have never used something by Winky Lux. I'm intrigued. Let's see. And this is good because I'm also in need of eyebrow product. So we got, oh, okay. So I'll do a close-up for you, but it's got like that angled thing, kind of like the Goof Proof. It looks like it's about the right shade for me, so that's kind of nice. And then it's got the little spoolie on the other side. All right, I'm here for this. I am here for this. It's called the Unibrow. Haha. This was a FabFitFun's pick, so we did not have any say in which of these products ended up in our box, and they chose this one. It's worth $16. I'm not mad about it. I've got two more items. This one also appears to be a FabFitFun pick. It is called Tarocco Foot Cream. Sicilian Blood Oranges. It is valued at $24. It is Cali Cosmetics Foot Cream with menthol in Tarocco. A combination of menthol and olive oil helps to soften your feet. Oh, I totally just broke the safety seal. Woof! That's a strong smell of menthol, let me tell you. That'll be rejuvenating to the feet. It's like to tired feet at the end of the day. That'll be nice. Cool. And then I think this is the last item. This is the Zoe Ayla Face and Body Ice Roller. I picked this item simply because I've always wanted an ice roller and never went out and got one. And now I have one. So this, it's a metal or stainless steel roll, and you keep it in the freezer, and ooh, it's already cold. It doesn't really glide very well though. There we go. There we go. We just gotta push a little bit. So this is obviously not something I should be doing with makeup on my face, but you're supposed to roll it on your face, and it does feel good. Wow, and I haven't even like frozen it yet. That feels really nice. I'm so excited about this. So the ice roller is valued at $30, reduces puffy eyes and rejuvenates tired skin. I can believe that. Key benefits to help decrease pore size and improve skin tone. I was told by Jen Love Reviews, who is like my #1 beauty guru on YouTube, by the way, that pore sizes don't actually change, FYI. So that's kind of a lie. Brighten the under eye circles, reduce the appearance of blemishes and fine lines, and promotes fluid flushing in the face. Fantastic. Leave your ice roller in the freezer for 4 or more hours before use. Roll it over your face and neck daily for visible improvements. The ice roller can also be used on the body to soothe bug bites, sunburn, tense or sore muscles post-workout, treat bruises and aches, or to lessen discomfort before or after cosmetic treatments. There we go. Post-filming Brianna here, it turns out there was one other item that ended up in my box. This is the Sponge L Hand Cream Coconut Verbena. It was a FabFitFun pick, so the 3 FabFitFun picks that I got, as you can see in the very poor lighting, hold up, I got this, and this out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. I got 3 of them. So this is the hand cream for $18, so you can add that to the final total that you'll see at the end. So that is everything in my box. I'm going to do a quick recap alongside with prices and give you a total. So we have the ice roller that's valued at $30, the Prep and Prime spray by Drybar that is worth $23, the After Sun Mist that is worth $42, the menthol foot cream that is worth $24, the Winky Lux eyebrow pencil that is worth $16, my shampoo and conditioner set, and I can't remember if I told you the price the first time, but this is worth $64. My Dr. Brandt eye cream that is worth $82. And then this little key necklace with the itty bitty word believe on it that is worth $45. Now, I did pay $10 extra to get this in my box, which means I paid $55 for the entirety of this box. And for that $55, I got $326 worth of product in my summer FabFitFun box. All in all, I am very pleased with the items I got in my box. If I had to swap out one thing, or I would change 2 things. If I could change 2 things, I would not have purchased the little Believe key silver necklace thing because it's just so small. I thought it was gonna be at least a little bigger, but I'm glad that I decided to get it. In any case, because it's my little reminder of my journey and my emulation of the Weight Watchers lifetime charm. So there's that. And then I probably would have traded the R & Co shampoo and conditioner for the moisturizing face serum had I known the quality of the face serum. And that's everything that's in my FabFitFun box. I'm super excited to have everything and give everything a try. Are you a FabFitFun subscriber? Let me know what you got in your summer box. If you are not a FabFitFun subscriber, but you would like to be, I have a referral link down below for you that will get you $10 off of your first box, meaning it would be $40 instead of $50, and it does give me kick kickback of $15 to use on the FabFitFun website, which is amazing, absolutely amazing. This is not an affiliate link. Anybody who signs up for FabFitFun has the option to get this referral link for themselves. So if you do decide to use my link, thank you for the extra spending money, and you guys will see how I spend it in my next FabFitFun haul. And that's everything for this video. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. Take care. I'll see you next time.